All right, all right, all right. Dapper Cracker back at you. And working on this Cutlass I've had forever. The fender, when I bought the car, I don't know, 14 years ago, had that bad dent right there on the corner. There's no way to fix it because it's got inner steel. So I got a couple of hoods. That's the original. And I got this black hood, but where the front corner is the same sheet metal all years. But where it comes to a point right here, it's more rounded off instead of comes to a point. I don't know what the difference is. I've Googled it, researched it, all the sheet metal's the same. Let's see how that one comes to a sharper point to match this. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've never seen any differences in these things. But I got this fender on there. I need to remove the pinstripe. I know it's dirty. It's been in the basement forever. And that's the hood that matches it. I was going to put this hood on, but I noticed a couple of flaws. I still may pop it on there. It's got a little pop right there. And I know you can't see it, but right there you can see where they hit the DA too deep, and it's kind of got a halo right there. I know you're not going to be able to see it. I don't like it, but I may put it on there for the time being and DA this one down. So working on some things, trying to get some stuff together. I think I did a good job. It all matches up. The lines are real clean. Real clean. And it doesn't rub. Hell yeah. But I hadn't moved this thing in a couple of years. Sorry, I'm out of breath. It is hot out here. And I went to put it in gear and, you know, install the console and seat belts and stuff and wipe the gate out. It just turned to dust. It's so brittle. I was like, holy shit. So I searched GM parts, Giant, and everywhere, and they said, oh yeah, any of the GM era 90s model Pontiacs, Luminas, it's all the same. No, it's not. Had I ordered one from GM, it would have been different. Because the floor model, or the floor steel in this one, is just a straight sheet with 4 bolts. So I got this one out of a 94 Grand Prix. But see, it doesn't even have the provisioning for the bolts. I mean, you got huge holes back here. And the bolt holes are way up there where it mounts to the console. Same concept, same gate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip these off and drill holes where those plastic rivets go through and install this gate on there. But before I do that, once I get it off, I'm going to put it on a piece of wood and draw it out, so I've got another design for some ABS plastic in case this gate wipes out. But it seems to be pretty solid. It's nowhere near as deteriorated as that one is. So I'll get back with you guys. Sir Slaps a lot. So disappointed, man. You know, I bought a 5-speed for it, and it's under that tub right there. And I should have put the 5-speed in and swapped this CVT out. But the wife found a CVT several years back, so the warranty's gone on that thing. It sat in the garage for a couple of years till I could get to it. So I got it going, drove it down the road, shifting through all gears, forward and reverse, and then went to back it out the other day. No reverse. You gotta be shitting me. This thing's been the bane of my existence. And I was gonna sell it to move on to start, you know, Moonrise AI. So I'm working on my own company now. I don't want to show you guys until I get them completed. But the spoke designs are going to be pretty elaborate. But yeah, man, I hate this so bad. I was going to do 16 eighths in this thing. And she's clean as a whistle. It's still got the drive out floor mats in it. I mean, looks like it's never been sat in. But I mean, if I've got to put a 5-speed in this thing with as much grief as it's caused me, you guys might still see This bitch was 16/8 in it, because I'm never going to get my money out of it. And then I know it'll carry the weight, you know, with the 5-speed. Probably won't be as fuel efficient as I'd like for it to be, but look at this silly shit. Where you've got your rib right here. Don't even line up. But I know this car has been repainted, and that wants to come off. So I'm thinking about taking all the band off of it all the way around, so it's just a smooth, slick finish all the way down. You know, there's no sense in just matching that one. Let's do something different. And take some dental floss or some fishing line and just remove that rib. That'd be slick. And then from here up, do black on this trim piece all the way around it up. Tinted windows and black up. And then blue or whatever color down. And I've got a black reverse light panel, so do black on this. And of course the headlights are black, so I think that would match. And then just do blue on black. But yeah, working on it, man. I love this little thing probably too much than I should have. But those little 3.4s, man, get down. And I've got a couple of extra engines for this thing in case something happens. I got a lead on one. I think he's got a 5 volts reference issue. It says it cranks and dies, cranks and dies. So I don't know. I'd like to have it, but I really need to get Moonrise AI up and going. This is just stupid to keep putting money into stuff that's not making me money. You know what I mean? Come on, get in there, Goofy. Really? I'll deal with you later. But alright. Give me a couple of days, guys, and I'll get with you and show you the Moonrise. I'm building a massive for a friend right now. So I got it clamped down, working on it. Had to hit it with a special kicker, man. But I got too much bloom, CA bloom. I hit it with some baking soda to cure. And then I got a real bad bloom. I got it all off the, you know, off the cone area. And I'm just going to leave it right there. No sense in getting that out because I still got to put the inner cap in there and glue it. So I'll just leave that little bit of baking soda right there and hit it. But I'll get back with you guys. Dapper Cracker out.